Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna pull these LEDs out of here. What is that? Is it so purple in there?
Probably. I already see purple from right here.
Where?
Just coming through the glass. It's purple. Alright, well, maybe when you do that.
What about now?
Oh. I think the purple was just in my mind.
Plasma.
There's a lot of smoke, sir.
Kyle, look at that. I'll hold this for you. Go look at the other one. It's just flashing. It blew itself apart. Wow. That was really badass.
It's like fucking lightning.